Hi friends. Welcome to Content Factory. Today I am talking about cybersecurity. Cybersecurity, or information technology security, is the protection of computer systems and networks from attack by malicious actors that may result in unauthorized information disclosure, theft of, or damage to hardware, software, or data, as well as from the disruption or misdirection of the services they provide. The field has become of significance due to the expanded reliance on computer systems, the internet, and wireless network standards such as Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And due to the growth of smart devices, including smartphones, televisions, and the various devices that constitute the Internet of Things. Cybersecurity is one of the most significant challenges of the contemporary world, due to both the complexity of information systems and the societies they support. Security is of especially high importance for systems that govern large-scale systems with far-reaching physical effects, such as power distribution, elections, and finance. A backdoor in a computer system, a cryptosystem, or an algorithm is any secret method of bypassing normal authentication or security controls. They may exist for many reasons, including original design or poor configuration. They may have been added by an authorized party to allow some legitimate access, or by an attacker for malicious reasons. But regardless of the motives for their existence, they create a vulnerability. Backdoors can be very hard to detect, and backdoors are usually discovered by someone who has access to application source code or intimate knowledge of the operating system of the computer. An unauthorized user gaining physical access to a computer is most likely able to directly copy data from it. They may also compromise security by making operating system modifications, installing software worms, keyloggers, covert listening devices, or using wireless microphones, even when the system is protected by standard security measures. These may be bypassed by booting another operating system or tool from a CD-ROM or other bootable media. Disk encryption and trusted platform module are designed to prevent these attacks. Social engineering, in the context of computer security, aims to convince a user to disclose secrets such as passwords, card numbers, etc., or grant physical access by, for example, impersonating a senior executive, bank, a contractor, or a customer. This generally involves exploiting people's trust and relying on their cognitive biases. A common scam involves emails sent to accounting and finance department personnel, impersonating their CEO and urgently requesting some action. In early 2016, the FBI reported that such business email compromise scams had cost U.S. businesses more than $2 billion in about 2 years. Employee behavior can have a big impact on information security in organizations. Cultural concepts can help different segments of the organization work effectively or work against effectiveness toward information security within an organization. Information security culture is the totality of patterns of behavior in an organization that contributes to the protection of information of all kinds. Additionally, recent attacker motivations can be traced back to extremist organizations seeking to gain political advantage or disrupt social agendas. The growth of the Internet, mobile technologies, and inexpensive computing devices have led to a rise in capabilities, but also to the risk to environments that are deemed as vital to operations. All critical targeted environments are susceptible to compromise, and this has led to a series of proactive studies on how to migrate the risk by taking into consideration motivations by these types of actors. Several stark differences exist between the hacker motivation and that of nation-state actors seeking to attack based on an ideological preference. In computer security, a countermeasure is an action, device, procedure, or technique that reduces a threat, a vulnerability, or an attack by eliminating or preventing it, by minimizing the harm it can cause, or by discovering and reporting it so that corrective action can be taken. The Open Security Architecture Organization defines IT security architecture as the design artifacts that describe how the security controls are positioned, and how they relate to the overall information technology architecture. These controls serve the purpose to maintain the system's quality attributes, confidentiality, integrity, availability, accountability, and assurance services. Analyzes and assesses vulnerabilities in the infrastructure, investigates using available tools and countermeasures to remedy the detected vulnerabilities, and recommends solutions and best practices. Analyzes and assesses damage to the data/infrastructure as a result of security incidents, examines available recovery tools and processes, and recommends solutions. Tests for compliance with security policies and procedures. May assist in the creation, implementation, or management of security solutions. Performs security monitoring, security and data/logs analysis, and forensic analysis to detect security incidents and mount the incident response. Investigates and utilizes new technologies and processes to enhance security capabilities and implement improvements. May also review code or perform other security engineering methodologies. Subscribe this channel to get more informative videos.